Hi, I'm Jackson Wathen, and this is going to be a little bit about me and my background and what I like to do and what I would like to get out of this class. I'm a Colorado native. I was born in Boulder, Colorado, and lived in Loveland for a number of years and have grown up in Longmont ever since. My hobbies, I like to do anything outdoors. Big skier, as you can see in the picture here. Like hiking and fishing, and me and my brother, we like to go to concerts, specifically country music, whenever we get the opportunity. I'm currently a senior in construction management. I'm going to graduate next December, so I'm looking forward to that. Some career goals that I have after I do graduate. My initial goal is to start a career with a general contractor. I had my first internship last summer with a company named of Golden Triangle Construction, and I plan to go back and work with them this summer. So hopefully I can start a good career with them. Currently with them, I was a project engineer, and the goal after that is to work through that and learn more about the project manager position, and ultimately manage big commercial projects. The ultimate goal for me is to eventually start and own a property management business. Anything from rental properties to Airbnbs, things like that. Just want to own property. I know it's gonna take a while to do here in Colorado, especially with the current market, but it is a goal that I think is obtainable. Down here also, my parents have operated their own landscaping company for as long as I can remember, and just watching them as I grown up and working with them, it's been a goal of mine to operate my own company as well. What I hope to take away from this course is just a general understanding and stronger skills in all forms of professional communication. So whether that be emailing with subcontractors, owners, and stuff like that within my line of work, just having better knowledge of how to word things and how to sound professional and get the point across, as well as the same in face-to-face conversation. I think both of these are things that are not focused on as much as they should be. So some people might go into their profession without strong professional communication skills. As well, I would also like to build learn how to build professional relationships. That way, down the road when I do want to start my own company, I have the skills and the knowledge of communicating with possible business partners. And finally, also stronger communication within personal relationships, whether that be family, friends, anything like that. It's just important to me to be able to communicate and to talk with the people that you love. I don't have any questions at this time about the class, but I am excited to see where it goes and what I can learn and what I can apply to my personal and professional life. Thank you.